very quick video of me sowing tomatoes. I'm going to sow 3 types of tomato this year. But today I'm only sowing 2 of them. Reasons for that are, I think it's still a little bit early for sowing tomatoes, but with a lot of care they can be kept indoors until they're ready to be planted in the polytunnel. The third one is Tomates de Colgar, which are a specialist tomato, because what they do is they prolong the season. You just keep the ripe tomatoes on the vine and just let them go until virtually the rest of the tomato season's over, and you can then cut the whole truss off and hang it up in a garage, and it'll stay like that for quite a long while. So it's just purely to prolong the tomato season for you, and I'll be sowing them in about 6 weeks time, I think. Okay, I've got my 2 lots of seeds here. Got Pierre and Gartenperle. The Gartenperle is a tumbling type that's going to go in my hanging baskets. The Pierre is a nice big tomato, lovely flavour, and I've prepared these seeds already. They've been soaked in chamomile tea for about 2 hours, and I've rinsed them through and dried them off a little bit just so I can get them easily prepared. I'm going to try and space them a little bit, but I'm sowing quite a few of them. So they'll be pricked out. And I have those sorted. Right, I'm going to keep that there because I haven't got my labels to hand. That was Pierre, and this one's Gartenperle. Exactly the same process. I only want about half a dozen of these, but these are older seeds, so I'm going to sow them all anyway and save the seeds for next year. So I shall, same method. That's all those seeds sowed. I'm just getting a little light coating now of compost on the top. Pierre. Gartenperle.